Friends, Instagram Music is basically a story tag that you can use to add music to an Instagram story. The Instagram Music tag is available on iOS and Android devices, but not in all countries. If you came across stories with music while browsing Instagram and received a notification that Instagram Music is not available in your region, it is simply because the platform does not need to obtain a music license for your region yet. Instagram needs a license to play music due to piracy or copyright infringement issues. The platform implemented this feature after Facebook did so and reached an agreement with Sony Music, Universal Music and Warner Music Group to add songs to videos. In the regions where the feature is not available, there are a number of legal procedures that have to be taken care of, as there is no universal law for copyright and piracy. It may take some time for the feature to be available on a global scale. Currently, the feature is available only in 7 countries: Australia, New Zealand, France, Germany, Sweden, UK and US. Fortunately, there is a loophole that not only lets you listen to other people's music stories, but even create one. Let's see how you can do it.
Go to Instagram and click on Profile. Then click on 3 lines in the top right corner and then click on Settings and scroll down and you will find the Logout option. Log out your account. Now clear all the tabs. Go to the Play Store and search Instagram. Then update the Instagram app. In my device, the update option is not showing because I have updated my app already. Then again open the Instagram app and log in with your username. Then go back to the Play Store in your device and install Turbo VPN app and then open the app and give the permissions. Click on the icon which is in the top right corner. Click on that and select the United States. And it is connecting. Then open the Instagram and refresh now. The music is working.
Now you can easily fix Instagram Music which is not available in your region. I hope you found this video useful. Please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us.